There's a tension inside the WordPress editor because it's doing two very different things. On the one hand, it's a page builder, and on the other hand, it's a place to write. It's a unique editor in this regard. No other tool, e.g. Elementor, Bricks, Divi, or even editors outside of WordPress have this dual purpose. And the more I've been thinking about it, the more I've started to think we could use the same underlying tech stack in WordPress, but start to give users more specific UI flows. And that's what I'm going to demo in a minute. Because when you're building a website, you're thinking about layout, spacing, columns, buttons, typography, and how everything looks. But when you're writing, that's a completely different mindset. You're not thinking about design, you're thinking about ideas, words, flow, momentum. Now, you might be thinking, hang on, doesn't WordPress already have distraction-free mode? And yes, it does, but distraction-free mode removes interface. It doesn't really change intent. It hides the furniture, but it's still trying to do lots of jobs at once. So I started wondering, what would WordPress look like if it was designed purely for writers, not page builders, not landing pages, not layouts, just writing. And so I built an experimental plugin called Write. And then Alison Levine and Kim Brown from Automatic took that idea, forked it, improved it, and made it available at WordPress.com/Write Editor to all WordPress.com customers. And this is what it looks like. So to test this out, go to WordPress.com/Write Editor. If you have an existing site, you'll be asked to choose which site you want to use this on. Here is the interface. It's designed to be as simple to use as possible so you can just focus on your words. I'll take you through it very quickly. Along the top here, you've got this little eye icon that shows you some of the shortcuts you've got. And then we've got the formatting bar along the top here. Very simple, all the normal stuff you'd expect to see. And then over on the right here, we've got a save draft and also a publish button. But really the whole intention of this interface is so you can focus on your writing. So let me write some words in and show you a few other nice aspects. So this is about Hemingway. I'm going to paste some text. And obviously you can do things like highlight words, and then you can type a little link here. Just click on the link icon and add that link in. If I want to add an image underneath here, I can either click on the image icon here, but we've added shortcuts just like we've got in the WordPress block editors. You can type / and then the thing you want to add. So if I want to add an image, I would type / image, click on this option here, and that opens up the little image modal. So we've tried to make it as quickly as possible so you can add images. Let's just add one of Hemingway here. And I can add my alt text and also set this as a featured image if I want to. I'm just going to insert that though. If you've used categories on your site, then you'll see a little option up here at the top where you can select the category for that specific post. Just click on the drop down and choose the appropriate category or categories. And to add tags, you just add the hash key followed by the tag name. And if you want more than one tag, you just repeat the process like so. Once you're ready to publish, you can either save it as a draft or just click the blue publish button in the top right. Not only will that publish it, but it's going to then redirect you to the live post on the live website so you can see it straight away. If you want to open an existing post and use the Write Editor to edit it, click on the 3 dots in the top right of the screen after going to WordPress.com/Write Editor, and you'll see an option here that says Open Post. Click on that, and then you just choose the post you want to open, and then it's going to open it straight away, ready for you to keep on editing. So we'd love to hear what you think. Would you use something like this? How could we improve it? We do have our own ideas. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, if you can hit the like button, that'd be great. And subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks again. See you soon and bye for now.